Hello, welcome back to our virtual community kitchen. Today we're gonna do something really simple but really very healthy. I'm gonna do the hummus dip that like is getting very popular lately, and the reason I chose hummus because of the ingredients in it. Hummus is a wonderful plant-based protein for vegetarians, vegans, and for everybody actually. This amount, for example, of which is about a cup and a half. Like a 16-ounce can of hummus. It has the same protein that's in an 8-ounce steak, for example, which which is a great thing. And other thing that we have to know about hummus too is like about chickpeas is that it has so many minerals, vitamins, protein, fiber. It's good for your bones, for your gut. It's good for your if you're diabetic. It's great if you're trying to lose weight. It makes you feel full. And it's even for cancer. Research has shown that it has ability to help those who have like hormonal kind of cancer, related cancer. So in addition to that, you have the garlic with it and the lemon juice. So that would even, and the vitamins and what's in tahini is just a great dish that's packed with all the good things that our body needs. In this bowl here, I have hummus the chickpeas that I made myself. I boiled from scratch. It's not from a can. You could use a can. This is the equivalent of a 15-ounce can, for example. If you want to do your own, this is the dry hummus here. This is how it usually looks like. I usually soak it overnight with a lot of water, and I add like a quarter teaspoon of baking soda to the soaking water. It softens it and makes it cook faster. And then after 24 hours, I would drain it completely from the soaking water. I'll add fresh water and I'll boil it. It will take at least like I would say 45 to an hour, but it will take a lot more if you don't put the baking soda in it. Let's start. Like I said, it's a very simple recipe. It can be made in a few minutes. So I have the chickpeas here. So what you should do, you should start with the chickpeas. You should add it to the blender first. Blend it. You could add like a cube of ice if you like to it, or 2 cubes of ice to make it blend better. And once it's creamed, we add the rest of the ingredients. We have the lemon juice, we have the fresh garlic, some salt, some tahini, and a little bit of olive oil. So all of this will go in the blender, and that's it. We blend it until it's smooth. And if you want to adjust the flavors, if you could taste it. If you like it more sour, obviously you can add a little bit of lemon juice or a little bit of salt, depends on, or even less if you find it too strong for you. So you could adjust the recipe to your liking. So I will be putting everything in the blender and and I will be back in a few minutes to show you how the texture should look like. See you in a few minutes. Okay, so welcome back. Today we did the original traditional hummus recipe, the one I grew up eating and enjoying back home. But if you go to the supermarket these days, you'll find so many variations. People are getting so creative with it, adding many flavors they love, and it's wonderful. So I did a little bit of different variations on it here. Like for example, this one is the beet one with some roasted beet. I added a little bit of roasted beet while I'm mincing it. This one has roasted red peppers. This one has mixed herbs, whatever herbs you like. And it's always a good idea if you're having guests to put to garnish with whatever there is in the recipe, so they will know what to expect, what's in it. Those are examples of things you could serve with it, or so many other things too. It goes well with a lot of things, with barbecues and everything. It's a great dip and a great side. And like I mentioned before, it's the benefits, the proteins and vitamins and the fiber and the minerals in it are outstanding. One last thing I would like to mention, if you're doing your hummus from scratch and you're soaking your chickpeas, um, you need to know that every cup of dried chickpeas will yield 3 cups of cooked chickpeas. So that's it. This is our dish for today. I hope you give it a try and you enjoy it and adjust it to your liking. Um, One final thought, I would like to say thank you to our sponsors. This program is partially sponsored by the City of Toronto and the Community Service Partnership Program. Thank you for them, and thank you for supporting us and watching all our videos all the time. And I will see you soon. Thank you.